This is the other end of a gas cap tether for a 2000 MDX. And from what I can tell, I haven't broken it, but to remove it, I had to grab it with a pair of pliers and twist it out from the gas, from the lid, I guess, that covers the gas cap. Let me show that to you. That's where I pried it out of. And from the looks of it, I don't think I've broken it. I think the way to remove it is to press this. Oh, let me see. I think the way to remove this is to press this down and probably lift up, because this, I think, goes in here and you just, let's see if I can show it. Goes in there and it just slides down. Sorry, I know everything is disgusting. The car has 200,000 miles on it. So anyway, let me see how to open this now to put the new gas cap, this portion of it inside. Okay, that was easy enough. So let's see. I'll try and turn off my flash. Okay, I don't know how to do that while the video is running. Anyway, I basically just went straight in here and twisted it with this little screwdriver, and it popped open. And that's how it looks. And out comes that piece. That's the OEM replacement part. It's for Acura, but it says Honda. Okay. Now that I've got that's the new gas cap. This thing goes all the way to the top of this. It just sits in there, right? And then you squeeze it shut. And now this will go back onto the car. All right, so where am I? That's the top portion, the one with the single knob, right? That's the thing. This part goes into the T opening here, and then I just push it down. And let me see. Here we go. Just placing it there and push down. That's it. Now it's coming off so easily, probably because I twisted it off. Yeah, this is something I replaced a year back, but after dropping it 3 times because I couldn't find instructions on how to replace the gas cap, I ended up having to get another gas cap. Goes on perfectly, like good. It's not the most secure because it can come out if I lift it up. But it's good enough for daily use. Again, to remove this, folks, press in. Once again, to remove this, press this in. Let's see if I can zoom in a little bit more. Yeah. So you press this in, like so. Grab onto this whole thing and lift it upwards, and it'll come out. All right? Good luck.